Have you heard about new variant of the COVID virus, that is XFG? This is a mild variant of the COVID, but it is easily spread to the other people, and it can present with a simple symptom with a cold, cough, flu. Might be other new symptom with this new virus. Might be you feel any changes or little changes in your voice. How to keep safe if you are getting this mild COVID variant? If you are having cold, cough, flu, important need to wear the mask, especially if you are in crowded indoor spaces. And if you are traveling, washing hand is very important. Keep sanitizer with you and keep updated with your vaccines. I am Dr. Sarla Kumari, consultant physician at Canadian Specialist Hospital. No need to be panic. Be cautious. Keep yourself safe, and especially those who are around you. Take important precautions. Make yourself safe and your loved ones safe.